Let's start by getting familiar with the Snapchat Ads interface. To navigate to a different part of your dashboard, go to the top left of your screen. Then click on this little drop-down arrow here. Now we're inside the main dashboard. Let's quickly break down what each of these tabs does so you know where to find everything when you're building your ads. We'll start on the left-hand side here with the Advertise tab. This is where you'll create and manage all of your ad campaigns. You'll spend most of your time here when you're launching and optimizing ads. The next up, we have the Assets tab. This holds all of your core tracking and targeting tools, like your pixels, custom audiences, and product catalogs. Then we have the Creative tab. Here you'll find your ad creatives and Snap's built-in tools for building videos and AR content. You can easily edit, manage, and reuse your creatives from this section. Then we have the Analyze tab. This is where you can track your results, view reports, and run split tests. Then we have the Develop tab. This is for more advanced tools like AR lenses and custom development. And if you're just getting started with Snap Ads, you can skip this for now. Then lastly, we have the Business tab. This holds all of your business and account settings like billing, team members, and public profiles.